Hello to all you good people. You're watching Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. And here are the headlines. RBI Governor Das reiterates cryptocurrencies are a clear danger. Cryptocurrencies slide on default. Recession Woes. Bitcoin falls below $20,000. NFT marketplace OpenSea reports email data breach. Crypto investment product AUM plunges to record low in June. Singapore reprimands 3AC for providing false information. Sequoia and Quona leads $6 million seed round for DeFi protocol MoHash. Basel panel proposes to cap banks' Bitcoin holdings. Binance taps TikTok star Kabi Lame as brand ambassador. Now let's look at today's top trending stories in details. Cryptocurrencies are a clear danger, Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das said on Thursday, adding, anything that derives value based on make-believe without any underlying asset is just speculation. The comments were part of the RBI's annual financial stability report. The governor said the growing threat of the crypto assets ecosystem warrants drastic approaches by national authorities. The report highlighted several vulnerabilities associated with the crypto asset markets, including linkages between crypto asset markets and the regulated financial system. The governor said that cryptocurrencies were not currencies, as they do not have an issuer and are not an instrument of debt or a financial asset, and they do not have any intrinsic value. However, the asset class continues to pose challenges and over time could result in dollarization as they create a parallel system which can undermine sovereign control over money supply, interest rates, and macroeconomic stability. Cryptocurrencies continued to tumble on Thursday as investors turned wary over mounting defaults of companies amid warnings of more such failures from some of the biggest stakeholders in the crypto universe. Bitcoin fell below $20,000. FTX co-founder and CEO Sam Bankman-Fried believes some lesser-known crypto exchanges are already bankrupt as the market downturn continues. He believes that some of the digital asset firms facing difficulties are unsalvageable. On Wednesday, a court ordered the liquidation of Singapore-based hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital for defaulting on commitments. Adding to the woes of investors is mounting macroeconomic worries after central bankers issued warnings on inflation and fueled concerns that aggressive policy will end in a recession. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated the Fed's commitment to increasing interest rates to curtail inflation. Speaking at the ECB meeting, he said he was more concerned about the challenges posed by inflation than the possibility of higher interest rates pushing the US economy into a recession. CryptoWire's IC15 index plunged over 4.5% to trade at around 25,400. Bitcoin traded at around $19,200, down nearly 4% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,000, down nearly 7% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded lower. One of the world's top NFT marketplace, OpenSea, suffered a data breach in which the email addresses of users and subscribers were leaked. One staff of OpenSea's email vendor, Customer.io, misused their employee access to download and share the email addresses of OpenSea's users and newsletter subscribers with an unauthorized external party. OpenSea, in an official statement, warned that whoever has shared their email with OpenSea in the past, their emails have been leaked. OpenSea added that they were working with Customer.io in an ongoing investigation and have reported the incident to law enforcement. OpenSea said that malicious actors may try to contact OpenSea customers via emails from domains that look similar to OpenSea.io, such as OpenSea.org or OpenSea.xyz. On Twitter, OpenSea customers are complaining of an uptick in spam emails, calls, and text messages. Crypto investment product assets under management reached record lows in June, with the AUM of all major crypto investment product types falling sharply amid turmoil in the market. ETFs experienced the largest drop, declining 52% to $1.31 billion, according to analytical data. Trust products, which have a market share of 80.3%, fell 35.8% to $17.3 billion in June, while ETCs and ETNs fell 36.7% and 30.6% to $1.34 billion and $1.61 billion respectively. Weekly outflows for Bitcoin-based products averaged an all-time high records of $161 million in June, while Ethereum experienced significant average outflows of $33.2 million per week. Short Bitcoin products recorded the largest weekly inflows during June with an average of $3.10 million. Multi-asset based products saw inflows averaging $2.13 million, but all other altcoins saw inflows of $330,000 weekly. Three Arrows Capital, also known as 3AC, a litigated hedge fund, has received criticism from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, for giving authorities false information. The MAS claimed in a statement released on June 30th that the firm had violated capital requirements by managing more assets than was allowed. 3AC was granted permission to handle money for up to 30 investors, totaling up to $180 million, when it registered as a fund management firm in Singapore in 2013. The fund already alerted MAS that it was switching to British Virgin Islands management. According to reports earlier this month, Three Arrows Capital was potentially insolvent after having at least $400 million in liquidations. Recently, Three Arrows Capital was forced into liquidation by a court in the British Virgin Islands. Sequoia Capital India and Quona Capital co-led a $6 million seed round for decentralized finance or DeFi lending protocol MoHash. Jump Crypto, Hashed Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, Ledger Prime, and CoinSwitch also participated in the round. Founded in 2021, MoHash is a DeFi protocol that uses crypto assets to provide access to capital and liquidity for private debt in fast-growing economies. It primarily uses stablecoins to achieve this. The raise comes as fellow players in the crypto lending space face increased pressures on their ability to sustain operations. Well, those were the top trending stories of this hour. Keep watching your favorite channel, Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.